Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 7 New Questions and Ideas. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section The Sangha Part 2. This comprises 21 questions. Question 1. Men and women who joined the Sangha led dash. The options are complex lives, a life of ease, simple lives, a life of comfort. Your time to choose. And the answer is simple lives. So, men and women who joined the Sangha led simple lives. Question 2. Men and women who joined the Sangha dash. The options are slept for most of the time, did social work, fasted for most of the time, meditated for most of the time. Your time to choose. And the answer is meditated for most of the time. So, men and women who joined the Sangha meditated for most of the time. Question 3. Men and women who joined the Sangha went to dash. The options are cities, villages, cities and villages, nowhere. Your time to choose. And the answer is cities and villages. So, men and women who joined the Sangha went to cities and villages. Question 4. Men and women who joined the Sangha went to cities and villages to dash. The options are do social service, beg for food, socialize, preach. Your time to choose. And the answer is beg for food. So, men and women who joined the Sangha went to cities and villages to beg for food. Question 5. Men and women who joined the Sangha went to cities and villages to beg for food dash. The options are all the time, only twice a day, whenever they felt hungry, during fixed times. Your time to choose. And the answer is during fixed times. So, men and women who joined the Sangha went to cities and villages to beg for food during fixed times. Next question 6. Men and women who joined the Sangha were known as dash. The options are bhikkhus, bhikkhunis, bhikkhus or bhikkhunis, fakirs. Your time to choose. And the answer is bhikkhus or bhikkhunis. So, men and women who joined the Sangha were known as bhikkhus or bhikkhunis. Question 7. Men and women who joined the Sangha were known as bhikkhus and bhikkhunis because dash. The options are they meditated most of the time, did social work, fasted most of the time, they begged for food. Your time to choose. And the answer is they begged for food. So, men and women who joined the Sangha were known as bhikkhus or bhikkhunis because they begged for food. Question 8. The word bhikkhus is from dash language. The options are Sanskrit, Prakrit, Pali, Tamil. Your time to choose. And the answer is Prakrit. So, the word bhikkhus is from Prakrit language. Question 9. Bhikkhus is a Prakrit word for dash. The options are renouncer, beggar, renouncer beggar, monk. Your time to choose. And the answer is renouncer beggar. So, bhikkhus is a Prakrit word for renouncer beggar. Question 10. Bhikkhus or bhikkhunis dash others. The options are offered food to, taught, healed, did social work for. Your time to choose. And the answer is taught. So, bhikkhus or bhikkhunis taught others. Question 11. Bhikkhus or bhikkhunis dash one and another. The options are taught, served, healed, helped. Your time to choose. And the answer is helped. So, bhikkhus or bhikkhunis helped one and another. Question 12. Bhikkhus or bhikkhunis held meetings to dash. The options are debate on life and death, understand the meaning of life, settle any quarrels, know the future. Your time to choose. And the answer is settle any quarrels. So, bhikkhus or bhikkhunis held meetings to settle any quarrels. Question 13. Bhikkhus or bhikkhunis held meetings to settle any quarrels that took place dash. The options are in the village, in the city, in society, within the Sangha. Your time to choose. And the answer is within the Sangha. So, bhikkhus or bhikkhunis held meetings to settle any quarrels that took place within the Sangha. Question 14. Men and women who joined the Sangha included dash. The options are Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Brahmins and Kshatriyas, Rajas. Your time to choose. And the answer is Brahmins and Kshatriyas. So, men and women who joined the Sangha included Brahmins and Kshatriyas. Question 15. Men and women who joined the Sangha also included dash. The options are merchants, laborers, barbers, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of these. So, men and women who joined the Sangha also included merchants, laborers, and barbers. Next question 16. Men and women who joined the Sangha also included dash. The options are courtesans, slaves, courtesans and slaves, none of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is courtesans and slaves. So, men and women who joined the Sangha also included courtesans and slaves. Question 17. Bhikkhus or bhikkhunis dash the teachings of the Buddha. The options are wrote down, memorized, taught, swore by. Your time to choose. And the answer is wrote down. So, bhikkhus or bhikkhunis wrote down the teachings of the Buddha. Question 18. Bhikkhus or bhikkhunis also dash. The options are sang songs, did social work, composed beautiful poems, healed people. Your time to choose. And the answer is composed beautiful poems. So, bhikkhus or bhikkhunis also composed beautiful poems. Question 19. Bhikkhus or bhikkhunis also composed beautiful poems describing dash. The options are nature, the universe, the Buddha, their life in the Sangha. Your time to choose. And the answer is their life in the Sangha. So, bhikkhus or bhikkhunis also composed beautiful poems describing their life in the Sangha. Question 20. Ways in which this Sangha was different from the earlier Sangha was that this was dash. The options are a religious organization, not a form of government, did not hold assembly to discuss state matters, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of these. So, ways in which this Sangha was different from the earlier Sangha was that this was a religious organization, not a form of government, and did not hold assembly to discuss state matters. Next question, last question, 21. Two ways in which this Sangha was same as the earlier Sangha was that dash. The options are everyone had a say in matters, A and C, they held assemblies to settle quarrels, none of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is A and C. So, two ways in which this Sangha was same as the earlier Sangha was that Everyone had a say in matters and they held assemblies to settle quarrels. Okay, so in this video, we learned every point in the section the Sangha part 2. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section monasteries. I'll see you there.